Quizzes.
Quizzes?
Yeah.
Where do we got there? We got quizzes. And what else?
Videos.
Oh, we got videos?
Videos.
Okay.
To help you.
Right on.
We're doing graphs. We're doing direct variation and quizzes.
Yeah, and quizzes?
Assignments.
Yeah, assignments. And
Watch videos.
you watch videos? Okay. Can you tell me a little bit about what you do when you're watching these videos?
Yeah, sometimes we have a paper. We have a sheet of paper that we write the answers while the computer is going on.
Sometimes we like answer questions, like he'll pause the video and ask us questions and we'll reply.
Okay, so this is while you're in class?
Yeah, while we're watching the video.
Okay, so you watch videos at home and sometimes in class.
Yeah.
Okay. Math class?
Yeah, mostly because when you're in math, it's mostly like that day you have to understand it, or else you're just gonna fall behind the next day.
Yep.
While with D2L, you can just keep watching the video.
Great.
Rather than having to just learn once.
It helps you more.
It helps you more. How does it help you?
Like to prepare for tests and everything.
Yeah, and how do you know?
It's easier to do because you're doing it online and you actually because most of teenagers now
Yeah.
go to lines.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, it's easier than writing.
It's easier than
Not that hard as a test.
it's not that hard as a test?
The test is harder. Like instead of working on this, I find it easier.
Which means writing. Yeah.
You find it maybe easier to focus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever you feel like you still don't understand it, you can always go back to it and also look at other videos.
It's more easy to do the work in there.
Okay, why is it easier to do the work?
Because like you can do it in your own computer at home and you can do your own calculations in there.
Yep.
You have more than one day to do it.
Yeah, okay. So we got a little more time. Okay, maybe you can work at your own pace. David?
You have more than one chance to do an assignment.
And so what does that mean?
Like you can basically redeem yourself.
So you can redeem yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
You can have up to 5 chances.
Okay, so you get up to 5 chances to do some of your quizzes. And so why do you like doing them over and over?
See if there's a difference or what can I get better mark. On the computer, when you're at home, like say you have trouble, you can go on the internet and search up like how you try to do this question or do that question.
Yeah.
Like that.
You can do it at home, in class, anywhere actually. Because it's online.
Okay.
So you can do it anywhere.
Good.
We all have technology on us.
Yep. Three months? Yeah, about 3 months. Classes?
Since like March.
Since March. So we say about 2 months?
Yes.
How long?
Once every 2 weeks.
Once every 2 weeks. What
Or
about
sometimes like twice.
what about lately?
Lately, since you told us to do the quizzes, I've been doing it a few days.
Okay. Every few days.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was hard because there was too many writing.
It was hard to log in.
We didn't know how to use it.
It was hard to log in. We didn't know how to use it.
You have to figure out how it works.
Sometimes the videos don't work.
Yeah. Okay. Sometimes the videos will work. Okay. And what else?
So people don't have access to the internet.
So that.
Not having internet or
Work.
being able to log on.
Yeah. So not having internet at home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes that gets in the way.
Having to like go back and look at my student ID and write it all out because it's a long number.
Right. Right. So,
Well, something that I dislike is that you're like you have to know like where to go, and if you don't if you have to go do a quiz, you have to press quizzes, and it's kind of hard to find it, and you can get lost.
yeah. Tell me, how much time did you spend last night doing your quizzes?
From 8:30 to 11:30.
Wow, so you spent 3 hours doing quizzes. But how come you spent so much time?
Because I was writing them out.
Because you were doing them
I
all.
write them out first. I put the answers and then I put them on the computer.
Oh, amazing. Great. That's great. And so, did you do these quizzes once?
I think 2 or 3 times.
2 or 3 times. So you're allowed to do them more than once?
Like
Yeah.
4 times.
4 times. Amazing.
It went up.
Yeah, my grades has gone up. Okay, good. So, have you ladies been looking at your grades lately?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, what's happening?
It's going up.
Yeah. But when you do the quizzes online, right? Do you know right away what your grade is?
Yes.
Yeah.
It
And
it shows us there.
do you like that?
Yeah.
Do you find that helpful?
Yeah,
You can tell if you're doing better or worse and how you can fix it to make your grade go up.
Great.
Group chat.
What is this?
Group chat.
Some sort of group chat?
Yeah, from other classes. Like we can do a group chat from other classes or just in our class.
Skype with other classes.
Yeah.
You want to Skype with other classes? Oh,
Yeah.
we could try that. I think we could probably swing something like that. Okay.
You can choose the topic.
Well, on D2L, they could add like mini games attached to the activity you're learning.
Yep.
That way you can also do it on like the game and actually try it out for yourself. And then you can just switch back to the video.
Make it a little more fun too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. In D2L.
Like to text to our friends, like if we don't understand something and they understand more, like we ask them how to do it without like call them or something. Like we only text them
Yeah, yeah.
and they answer ours.
Yeah, video chat. Okay, with who? Friends? In other math classes? What about other schools? Yeah, that would be kind of cool.
Like you can like post like more information about school. Like if it's going to be like start dress down, PAJ or something like that.
Okay, so you want more information about what's happening in school.
Yes.
I can do that. No problem.
Say you're having a problem with the question, you can ask for help, and your teacher or your friends can like comment on that post or whatever, and say like how to do this question or like help you out.
Amazing, amazing. So you want help from your friends or help from me? Okay. Well, thank you very much, and keep up all your hard work. And I will give you a copy of this video when it is all done. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Okay, thank you. See you.
Bye.
Ciao.